Airtime Marketing Philippines Incorporated and Precision Digital Broadcast Solutions Incorporated, in cooperation with the Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation, proudly bring you the best of movie, television, and music kingdoms. This is the Box Office Entertainment Awards. The legacy continues. Make way for a rare fusion of past, present, and future trends. Move to the beat of Jet Pangan, KD Estrada, Alexa Ilaca, and Aramina.
Holding me back, gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that?
Want to say, I'll say it anyway. Today's another day to find you shying away. I'll be coming for your love.
Oh, in this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was.
I'll be gone in a day or two.
Answer the phone, Harry, you're no good alone. Why are you sitting at home on the floor? What kind of pills are you on?
But I'll be stumbling away, slowly learning that life is okay. Say after me, it's no better to be safe than sorry.
In this world, it's just us.
Take me.
You know it's not the same as it was.
I'll be gone.
It's not the same
in a
as
day
it
or
was.
two.
As it was.
We were gold, kind of dream that can't be sold. We were right till we weren't, built a home and watched it burn. Go now go, walk out the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with your bad, that think I'd come on? You think I'll lay down and die? You know that I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand. You know that I will survive for as long as I know how to love. I know what's still life. I've got all my love to live. I've got all my love to give, but I'll survive. I will survive. Can love me better. Oh, can love me better, baby. Can love me better. Oh, can love me better, baby. Can love me better. Oh, can love me better, baby. Can love me better, no. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here without some look upon your face. Should have changed it to be love. Should have made you live again. If I have known for just 1 second you'd be back to back at me. Go, now go. I can take myself dancing, and I can hold my own hand. Yeah, I can love me better than
I will survive.
Yeah, I can love me better than you can.
You a little boo thing, so I don't give a who what you do say, girl, I know. You a little tootie, I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know.
Tell him I'm next. Tell him you found a little something too fresh, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you found a little something too fresh, I know.
Doesn't take much to make me happy and make me smile with glee.
Never will I feel discouraged, 'cause the love's no mystery.
What's good? What's with ya?
You booked tonight, that's fiction. You want me? Go figure. Go figure. To the back, to the front. You a 10, baby girl, and I'm the one. To the back, to the front. You a 10, baby girl, and I'm the one.
Hey.
Whoa, you got the best of my love. Whoa, whoa. You got the best of my love. Whoa, whoa.
You my little boo thing, so I don't give a who what you do say, girl, I know. You a little tootie,
I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know.
You got it. My love, my love. Whoa,
Whoa, whoa. You got the best of my love. Whoa,
my
whoa.
love, my
Got the
love.
best of my love.
You my little boo thing, so I don't give a who what you do say,
Girl,
girl,
I know.
You a little tootie,
I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you found a little something too fresh, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you found a little something too fresh, I know.
Give it up for Jet, KD, Alexa, and Ara with the Diversity Dancers. Assisting the Guillermo Foundation are our trophy presenters, John Gabriel and Ralph Howard. Meet your hosts for this milestone evening. Multi-awarded actor, Enchong Di. Actor, host, Edward Barber. Together with one of today's teleserye princesses, Miss Kyla Estrada.
The most awaited entertainment awards night has finally returned. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and join us as we celebrate the biggest achievers in movies, music, and television.
I feel good right now. Another industry milestone will unfold tonight as we join the Guillermo Foundation in hailing the kings and the queens of the local entertainment industry. I'm excited.
Yes, that's right. And the legacy of recognizing the best of local entertainment will continue to touch the lives of Filipinos all around the world.
Welcome to the Box Office Entertainment Awards. The legacy continues.
We are back here at the Erwin Lee Theater for the Box Office Entertainment Awards, and I have to say I am so excited to host this awards presentation because I'm honored to be in the company of some of the top artists in this nation in the entertainment industry. I'm standing next to one of them herself. Kyla, good evening.
Thank you so much, Edward, and good evening. I am also so excited to be a part of such a memorable night for the industry. I know you have been a Box Office Award winner once.
One time.
And I'm sure you haven't forgotten that experience.
Not at all.
I wouldn't. And we have the Guillermo Foundation to thank for that because they have been doing this for the entertainment industry for the past 53 years.
And that's truly amazing. A big salute to the members and officers of the Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation, headed by Miss Ami Samaniego Chonco. We have to say thank you so much, who not only changed lives through the Scholarship Foundation, but also touched the hearts of Filipinos all around the world through this annual tribute. So we say.
That's right. That special legacy continues tonight. After 3 long years of waiting, it has finally made a grand comeback. And Edward, because we have lots in store for all our viewers tonight, we just have to start giving out the exciting list of entertainment royalties.
That is right. We don't want to wait any longer. Starting off with this remarkable child actor who has made a huge impact in the blockbuster film Firefly. Let us all welcome the most popular child performer of the year, Ewan Mikael.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Liam Grayson Mendoza and Gabriel Antonio Sergio.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Guillermo na kinilala po ako ngayong gabi. At nagpapasalamat din po ako sa GMA Network. Papasalamat din po ako sa Sparkle. At syempre po sa Firefly family. At syempre po hindi ko makakalimutan. Nagpapasalamat din po ako kay Ama. At Happy Mother's Day din po sa nanay ko, si Mama. Ito po ang regalo sa kanya. Maraming salamat po.
Our next 3 awards are for the creative team behind 2023's phenomenal movie, Rewind. And first of these 3 is the award for Most Popular Film Producer of the Year. Congratulations, because you have made history for Rewind, Star Cinema, APT Entertainment, and Agosto Dos.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Rene Samaniego.
Magandang gabi po. Maraming salamat Guillermo Mendoza Foundation for this recognition. Na-miss namin kayo and welcome back. 3 years talaga, inantay din namin ulit na magkaroon ng ganitong recognition. But most of all, siguro, yung malaking pasasalamat talaga namin goes to the moviegoers. Maraming salamat sa mga Pilipino po at around the world na nanood po ng Rewind. Maraming salamat po.
The painful lines, the romantic and unexpected twist. I am sure most of us cried when watching this movie. At lahat kayo ay hindi pa rin naka-move on. Of course, the next awardee is truly at fault for all of this. The most popular screenwriter of the year, the one and only Enrico Santos.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Engineer Arthur Samaniego.
Maraming salamat po sa Guillermo Mendoza. Welcome back after the hiatus. Thank you very much, syempre, sa producer of the year po, Star Cinema, Agosto Dos, and APT for the opportunity of writing Rewind. Thank you very much to ABS-CBN, to the producer, the director, May Cruz. And I'd like to dedicate this Mother's Day to my mother, who's 88 years old and is watching now. And of course, we offer it up to God, kung saan po ginagawa lahat ng aming kwento at artista sa aming pelikula. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations, Mr. Enrico Santos. The movie Rewind has made our next awardee belong to the elite list of phenomenal directors, and I absolutely agree. Let us make way for the most popular film director of the year, Mrs. May Cruz Alviar.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Mylene Mendoza.
Hello, good evening everyone. It's really surreal to be here. Thank you sa mga producers natin na APT, Agosto Dos, and Star Cinema. Salamat sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation sa pagkilala sa aming pelikula at sa karangalang ito. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for using us as a vessel, for giving us this honor and this opportunity and this privilege to tell your stories through our films. Thank you so much.
Yes, for his long line of achievements in the field of government and public service, running almost 5 decades of outstanding leadership and service to his people of Bulacan. His worthwhile projects and programs have helped improve the quality of life of the people he has served. Our outstanding public service awardee, former Governor of Bulacan, Joselito Andrew Rojas Mendoza.
Presenting the plaque of recognition for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Rene Samaniego.
Sa Guillermo, after so many years na wala na ho tayo sa pagserbisyo, naalala pa rin ho nila tayo sa mga ginawa natin sa lalawigan. At yan po ay taos-puso kong pinasasalamatan. Maraming salamat po.
Has talked with the country's hottest celebrities, never failed to awaken that Marites spirit in all of us. But mind you, he is one of the best and wittiest television hosts in the country. the most popular television program, talk show, Fast Talk with Boy Abu.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Gerald Belandres. And to accept the award is Mr. Senedy K.
Sa ngalan po ni Kuya Boy Abunda ng GMA Network at ng buong team ng Fast Talk, ikinararangal ko pong tagapin ang award nito bilang kanilang creative consultant ng programa. Maraming salamat po.
We have top 100 people surveyed. Ano ang pinakapaborito mong game show sa Pilipinas? And the top answer is our next awardee, the most popular television program in the field of reality, talent search, and game, Family Feud.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Raymond Mendoza.
Once again, as the creative consultant of Family Feud, I'm very proud to accept this award on behalf of our host, Ding Dong Dantes, GMA Network at ang buong team ng Family Feud. Kami po nagpapasalamat na bukod sa mga pelikula ay patuloy pa rin nanonood ang mga Pilipino ng mga television shows, lalo ng game show like Family Feud. Maraming salamat po.
He is the ultimate TV host, mapa-game show, variety, talk, and reality search. He has never failed to entertain and educate his audience. The male TV host of the year, congratulations, Mr. Luis Manzano.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Jim Paul Mendoza. And to receive the award is Miss Vilma Santos.
I love you, Lucky. As on behalf of my son, Luis Manzano, Lucky, anak, congratulations. Ito ho ay para sa kanya. At alam ko ho na magpapasalamat din po siya dahil sa napakahabang panahon bilang isang male TV host ay talaga hong nabibigyan pa rin siya ng pagkilala hanggang ngayon. Anak, congratulations. Keep up the good work. Sa lahat po na sumusuporta sa kanya, maraming salamat po. I love you, Lucky!
Eto na, we are now ready to award the most popular daytime and primetime teleseries whose characters and storylines are of course, the most relatable with our Filipino viewers.
Tama ka, Edward. Sino ba naman ang hindi naaapektuhan kay Annalyn o kaya nadala sa matinding aksyon ni Tanggol? Di ba?
That's true. Kahit ako, we have to say it's a hit. This afternoon teleserye has inspired us to reach for our dreams. Many Filipino viewers are charmed by the youngest genius doctor, Annalyn Tanyag, and her lifetime of complicated twists, which gave it consistently high ratings. The most popular television program, daytime drama, Abot Kamay na Pangarap.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Aris Mangahas.
Magandang gabi po. Mula po sa bumubuo ng munting programa namin, nagpapasalamat po kami sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation for this recognition.
This program earned the highest record-breaking television rating and still the undisputed most popular television program. Primetime drama, congratulations to FPJ's Batang Quiapo.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Miss Lori Santa Cruz.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa Guillermo Mendoza Awards sa karangalang pinagkaloob niyo sa amin. May mga mangilan-ngilan na ako nakuha na award sa Guillermo, pero isa po ito sa pinaka-espesyal sa akin kasi iba pala ang pakiramdam kapag nasa likod ka na rin ng production. Naiintindihan mo na yung hirap ng mga taong nasa likod, ng mga staff, crew, directors, writers, creatives, producer. Ang hirap pala. Nagpapasalamat ako unang-una po sa ABS-CBN. Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Tita Cory, kay Sir Carlo, kay Sir Deo, sa lahat ng mga artistang kasama ko dito, sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng FPJ's Batang Quiapo. Maraming salamat po sa aking manager. Thank you so much, Mother Bibs. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga taong nagtutulungan ngayon sa industriya para ipagpatuloy at lumaban na muling mabuhay po ang ating industriya upang magkaroon po ng maraming trabaho pa ang ating mga manggagawa. Ganun po nagpapasalamat po muli ako sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng FPJ's Batang Quiapo at sa lahat ng mga manonood. I love you. Thank you so much.
There we go. From the nerve-wracking and heartbreaking teleseries, we now move on to the good vibes naman. Of course, this award is very special to me because I'm part of this family of talented performing artists. The most popular television program, musical variety, ASAP Natin To.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Mai de la Cruz.
For 29 years, this kind of recognition and award is what keeps us going. In behalf of ASAP family, maraming salamat po, Guillermo Foundation, sa parangal na ito. To God be the glory.
We now move on to another special award in the field of business. She has a strong partnership with the local entertainment industry and has been successful in terms of making the Filipino women beautiful inside and out. Businesswoman of the Year, Ana Andrea Magcawas of Lux Beauty and Wellness.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Engineer Marisa Manoto.
Una sa lahat po, maraming salamat. Lord, pinatungtong mo ako sa stage na to. To Guillermo Foundation Awards, hindi ko po in-expect na tatawagan niyo po ako para sa award na to. Binalikan ko din yung mga pagod at hirap na ginawa natin para maipakilala ang Lux Beauty and Wellness Group. In a span of less than 3 years, ay napakilala natin ng gusto, hindi lang po dito sa Pilipinas, kundi maging sa ibang bansa, ay tinatangkilik po yung produkto na gawang atin. Kaya sobrang proud po ako. And of course, inaalay ko po ito sa lahat ng mga distributors and luxers na tumatangkilik ng ating produkto. Maraming salamat. Happy Mother's Day po.
The Guillermo Foundation also gives recognition to the following box office entertainment awards winners. Herminio Esguerra for Businessman of the Year. Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho for Popular TV Program, News and Public Affairs.
Sa Guillermo Mendoza Box Office Entertainment Awards, maraming salamat po at napili nyo ang Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho bilang Most Popular TV Program in News and Public Affairs. Thank you po sa pagtitiwala.
Maine Mendoza for Female TV Host of the Year. Kim Chu for Female TV Host of the Year. Pinky Amador for TV Supporting Actress of the Year. Dear Heart Concert Series for Concert of the Year. Bamboo for Male Concert Performer of the Year. Sara Geronimo for Female Concert Performer of the Year.
Maraming salamat po sa Guillermo Mendoza Awards para po sa recognition na ito. Coach Bamboo and I would like to thank you for this recognition at sa lahat po ng sumuporta ng aming concert collaboration. Thank you very much sa lahat po ng nanood.
Darren for Male Recording Artist of the Year. SB19 for Popular Recording Performing Group of the Year. Dennis Trillo for Primetime TV Drama Actor of the Year. And Piolo Pascual for Film Actor of the Year. Ladies and gentlemen, the Princess of Philippine Entertainment, Miss Belle Mariano.
even when I'm told no. I don't take that for an answer. I'm focused on my goals, 'cause that's what really matters. I'm on an uphill slope, taking it real slow. The journey comes with setbacks. Sometimes I wanna quit the show. I'm told that I should step back, but here's something that they should know. I won't back down, and I'll stand my ground, 'cause I'm on the rise, right before their eyes. No limit but the sky. I'm ready to take flight. Someday they'll see I'll be exactly where I want to be, living out my dreams right before their eyes. I'm on the rise. As my story unfolds, all the more I take control. Looking back, I've grown. I'm ready for whatever life throws. No, I won't back down, and I'll stand my ground, 'cause I'm on the rise, right before their eyes. No limit but the sky. I'm ready to take flight. Someday they'll see I'll be exactly where I want to be, living out my dreams right before their eyes. I'm on the rise. I'm on the rise. Whoa, I'm on the rise, right before their eyes. No limit but the sky. I'm ready to take flight. Someday they'll see I'll be exactly where I'm meant to be, living out my dreams right before their eyes. I'm on the rise. I'm on the rise. I'm on the rise.
Sunsilk is one with the Guillermo Foundation and the whole entertainment industry, inhaling the super haba amazing list of achievements of Miss Bel Mariano.
We now move on to our next awardee. Her songs are the national hugot anthems of our lives, maybe even my own. And because so many listeners relate to her songs, she has held the distinction of being the most streamed artist in OPM history. Ladies and gentlemen, you know her and you love her. Let's all meet our female recording artist of the year, Moira De La Torre.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Mrs. Vicky Mendoza.
Sorry. Una sa lahat, Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng nanay na nandito ngayon. Pangalawa po, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation para sa karangalang ito. Salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin sa loob ng 8 taon. Hindi po ito magiging posible kung hindi dahil sa mga taong naniwala at nagtiwala sa akin. Sa pamilya ko, sa Cornerstone, sa ABS-CBN, Star Music, My Republic family, and most importantly, sa Panginoon po. God makes all things beautiful in His time. Maraming salamat po ulit.
You are still watching the Box Office Entertainment Awards. At matinding aktingan na to, Edward.
Oo nga eh.
Because we are going to hand out the supporting acting categories, which are equally important for film or teleserye to be a blockbuster hit.
It's very true, and we're very happy, I know, on behalf of Kyla and myself, to say that our friend and our co-host, he's not just a host tonight, but also someone who's going to be awarded. Kaya naman, truly, we are all very proud of him. Supporting roles, as we all know, are equally as important because they add that additional spice. The main stars are not main if they don't have that support.
That is exactly right. Both our TV supporting actor and actress are considered the most hated villains in the history of teleseries. First up is Padre Damaso. The classic Fraile in Jose Rizal's Noli Me Tangere was brought to life by this very versatile actor perfectly. Perfect kasi super nagalit tayo sa kanya. TV Supporting Actor of the Year, Mr. Tirso Cruz III.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Engineer Marijo Chongco.
I'd like to thank Channel 7 for entrusting me for the role of Padre Damaso sa Maria Clara Ibarra. And of course, mga kasama kong artista ron, headed by Mr. Dennis Trillo, and sa director namin na si Zig Dulay. And of course, alam nyo, when actors like us, performers like us receive recognitions like this, it basically is very important for us because it's something that makes us aspire all the more to better ourselves, to makapagdulot kami ng mas magaganda pang pagbibigay buhay sa mga karakter na aming ginagampanan. So, thank you very much. And most importantly, I would like to dedicate this award to our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, from whom everything that I have comes from. So once again, maraming salamat po.
We now move on to our colleague who has proven that he can play difficult roles and give justice to true-to-life characters. His portrayal of Father Jacinto Zamora in the historical masterpiece Gomburza has elevated him to Movie Supporting Actor of the Year. It is truly our pleasure. Congratulations, Mr. Enchong D.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is James Mendoza.
There are so many people that I want to say thank you. The team of Gomburza, Direk Pepe, thank you very much for being such a collaborative director. My best actor, Cedric Juan, you're an inspiration. Dante Rivero, oh my gosh, you're like a gift to Philippine entertainment industry. Thank you very much for sharing your talent to us. So I just want to say thank you very much, Guillermo Mendoza Foundation, for this recognition. Thank you very much for all the people that have guided me through the years. Tita Monch, Charlene, Tito Karen, thank you very much. To my Star Magic family, Derek Lauren, thank you so much. And also, to God be the glory. Thank you, thank you.
Our next awardee is known for her out-of-the-box roles. So she chooses interesting and yet demanding roles to further challenge her acting capabilities. Ladies and gentlemen, MMFF Aintree Firefly has proven her extraordinary talent once again. So we say, congratulations, Movie Supporting Actress of the Year, Alessandra De Rossi.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Myrna Bandolio.
Magandang gabi. Thank you. Mahihain talaga pag hindi ako mag-speech. So, salamat, thank you sa Guillermo Mendoza. ito sa ang Guillermo, isa sa mga mga unang mga natanggap kong awards nung nag-start ako, mga 40 years ago. Charot. Sabi ni Empoy kanina sa akin doon, Alex, ang dami-dami mo ng awards. Pwede ba pag sumobra, lagay mo na lang sa bahay? Sabi ko, okay lang ba, actress? Hindi natin mabibenta to. So, yun lang. Thank you ulit. Thank you, GMA. Ang kwento ng Firefly ay tungkol sa isang anak at ang isang ina na nagkawalay at kwento siya ng pagmamahal ng isang ina. At para matanggap ito ng Mother's Day, baka may meaning nga talaga. Kailangan ko na mag-anak. Charot. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Kuya Enchong, I have just a little request. I have to say, allow me to debunk a thought that I had. Sinasabi nila, it is harder to make someone laugh than to make someone cry. Totoo po ba yan?
Let me debunk your thoughts.
Okay, yes please.
I agree. Partly true, partly true.
Okay.
Mahirap talaga kasi magpatawa kaysa magpaiyak. But looking at our comedy kings like Dolphy and Vic Soto, it entails a different kind of talent to be a comedy actor of the year.
That is true. That is very, very true. Maybe it's much harder to shift to comedy if you're already an action star. Because aside from being one of the top action stars and dramatic actors in the industry, our next awardee is also idolized as a comedy actor. Well, of course, he's done this in his movies and the television remake. His comedic charms also captivated the Filipino viewers for sure. Kaya ito na. Congratulations, Comedy Actor of the Year, Ramon Bong Revilla Jr.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Jeneline Magpitang Mendoza. Accepting the award is Congresswoman Lani Mercado Revilla.
Thank you very much. On behalf of Senator Bong Revilla, who's not with us, I am with my son, Congressman Brian Revilla. Ayan. But anyway, I'm sure si Tolome ay tuwang-tuwa sa award na ito. Sa totoo lang po talaga si Senator Bong ay natural na komedyante kaysa sa pagiging mahusay na action star. He also would like to dedicate this award to Miss Beauty Gonzalez, who of course portrayed the role of Gloria in the sitcom. Congratulations. Ito po ay para sa Panginoon, ito po ay para sa aming pamilya, at of course, lahat po ng tumatangkilik ng mga projects sa telebisyon at ganun din po sa pelikula. Maraming salamat po, Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Award. Salamat po.
To the Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation, its hard-working members and jurors, mga kasama sa industriya, ladies and gentlemen, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I am deeply honored and grateful to be selected as the comedy actor of this year's Box Office Entertainment Awards.
Our Comedy Actress of the Year has surprised her followers of her comedic talents because she happens to be also one of the best dramatic actresses we have on television. Please join me in welcoming the Comedy Actress of the Year, Beauty Gonzalez.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Engineer Geraldine Lukin.
Oh my gosh. Wala, natawa. Oh my gosh, kinakabahan ako. Ay, maayong gabi ninyong tanan. Good evening to everyone. You know, I've been doing drama all my life. In real life, and also in front of the camera. Kaya nagulat ako, of all things, I'm receiving an award for comedy. But, kaya, I mean, you know, siguro nakakatawa talaga ako. So, thank you so much. But, ayan, tumatawa na kayo. But deep inside, it makes me very happy to make you guys happy. So, keep on laughing and don't forget that life is beautiful. And thank you so much, Guillermo. Sobrang bonus na on Mother's Day, on my birthday month, I'm receiving one of the most special awards. Kaya maraming salamat. Bambi, I love you. I love you, Bambi. Thank you.
Ending our special comedy block is a very special Lifetime Achievement Award for comedy. This was named in honor of a comedy icon, Bert Marcelo, who is a very special friend of the Guillermo Foundation. This year, the Bert Marcelo awardee has already proven himself to so many as a comedy star of his own. From a sidekick to very minor roles, he was able to stand out and eventually start in his own movies and films, which did very well indeed in the box office. Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Bert Marcelo Lifetime Achievement Awardee, Empoy Marquez.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Anna Lee.
First of all, gusto ko magpasalamat po sa lahat ng mga taong umattend dito sa Guillermo. At hindi ko alam kung bakit sa akin napunta yung ganitong award, something ano. Pero kung di nyo pa na itatanong, si Mr. Bert Tawa Marcelo po ay lehitimong taga-Baliwag po at kababayan ko po siya. Kaya I am so proud na sa akin po napunta yung award na to. And yun. At congratulations po sa lahat po ng nanalo ngayong gabi. And salamat po Guillermo sa pagtitiwala at sa award na to. And G for me is God. Salamat God. Thank you.
Congratulations, Empoy. We now move on to another special award given to government officials who are able to make a difference in improving the lives of his constituents. This Outstanding Government Service Award for this year, a young but successful government and public servant whose vision of maagap, magiliw, mahusay, maaasahan, magkakatuwang at serbisyong may malasakit in governing his town of Baliwag resulted in major achievements and programs that have improved the lives of the people in Baliwag. Join me in welcoming this year's Outstanding Government Service Awardee, the Honorable Mayor of Baliwag City, Mayor Ferdy Estrella.
Presenting the plaque of recognition for the Guillermo Foundation is Councilor Irma Celones.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Bata pa po ako ay napapanood ko na po itong award-giving body na to sa television. Kaya I never imagine na makakatanggap ako ng isang parangal mula po sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation. Very special po sa akin ang award na to sapagkat ito pong award na to ay pinapakita at pinaparangal po ang aking pong leadership at ang aking pong paglilingkod. Kaya po maraming salamat sa Guillermo Mendoza at nais ko pong batiin din, nandito po ang aking mentor. Sa kanya po ako nagsimula, ang aming pong former governor, John Mendoza. At syempre, ngayon po ay Mother's Day. Nais ko pong i-offer yung award na to sa tatlong mommy na pinakamalapit po sa aking puso. Siyempre, ang aking mami, si Mayora Sonia, ang aking pong may bahay, si Mayora Jonah, at ang aking pong kapatid nandito, si Tak. At siyempre, sa lahat po ng mga Baliwagenyo na may dugong baliwag at pusong baliwag. At siyempre po, sa ating pong Panginoong may kapal. Ad Maiorem Dei Gloriam.
First of these iconic awards is Corazon Samaniego Lifetime Achievement Award, named after the founder and heart of the Guillermo Foundation. This award is an honor of the Box Office Entertainment Awards Grand Matriarch, Corazon Samaniego, who has lovingly and patiently cared for the Guillermo Foundation and its scholars. When she passed away, this Lifetime Achievement Award was born in her name. This year's awardee has more than 200 films in his credit. From his first film, Tinimbang Ka Ngunit Kulang in 1974 to When I Met You in Tokyo in 2023. That's just in the movies. He has also starred in numerous teleseries, and in both worlds, he has gained almost all acting awards from all award-giving bodies. 5 decades of quality portrayal, high degree of professionalism, and giving us the best films and TV programs to watch. Enough reason to recognize him as the Corazon Samaniego Lifetime Achievement Awardee, Mr. Christopher De Leon.
To present the award from the Guillermo Foundation is Engineer Jim Paul Mendoza. To accept this award is Mr. Tirso Cruz III.
Liwanagin lang muna natin, hindi ako si Christopher De Leon. Siya po ang aking best bud, isang matalik na kaibigan. Anyway, I'd like to thank the Corazon Samaniego Lifetime Achievement Award, which is very fitting na maibigay sa isang taong katulad ni Christopher De Leon. So, for and in behalf of this great actor and this great man, and someone who has dedicated his life dito sa ating industriya. So, very fitting ito sa kanya. Anyway, this is for you, Parego. And I take pride in accepting this for you. Thank you very much.
There we go. We now move on to another iconic award category, and this is in recognition for the huge contribution of these gentlemen in giving genuine entertainment to millions of TV viewers. Araw-araw, 1,100 tuwa ang kanilang binibigay sa kanilang mga dabarkads. You know who I am talking about, mula Batanes hanggang Holo. At ngayon, sa buong mundo, more than 45 years of providing Filipino viewers with genuine fun and entertainment, making them part of their household every single noontime. The Guillermo Foundation hereby gives the highest honors as box office iconic stars for television, TBJ, Tito, Vic, and Joey for Eat Bulaga.
Presenting the trophies for the Guillermo Foundation are Engineer Arvin Chonco, Dr. Rene Samaniego, and Engineer Jim Paul Mendoza.
Thank you. Marami pong salamat. Thank you very much. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation at sa inyo pong lahat. At higit sa lahat, gusto po namin magpasalamat sa aming mga legit na barkads. Alam niyo naman na medyo mabigat yung mga pinagdaanan namin itong mga nakaraang taon. At itong pagdating ng ganitong award galing sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial ay parang kumbaga sa tuyo ang lupa ay may umulan at nagbigay ng ulan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Hi, fans. Maraming salamat. Thank you una sa lahat sa Panginoon Diyos, maraming salamat. At sa Guillermo Mendoza Foundation, maraming salamat. Muling recognition. Alam nyo kasi, medyo suki na ako rito. Marami-rami na rin akong recognition na natanggap. Pero, ito na yata ang pinakamasarap. Sa sobrang sarap nito, pag-uwi ko mamaya, ilalaga ako, kakainin ko na. Thank you very much. And I would like, again, to dedicate this award na to, itong recognition na to, sa mga mahal ko sa buhay, sa aking mga anak, sa aking asawa, at higit sa lahat, sa mga fans. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day to everybody. Simula ngayong gabi to, pare, kalimutan na natin ang salamat. Okay? Uumpisahan po natin ang selamat. Selamat. Parang mga Indonesian, Malaysian, yung mga Malay. Selamat. Ang selamat sa kanila, welcome, happy, congratulations, parang aloha kumbaga sa Hawaii. Selamat, we love you. Maraming salamat po. Sige.
Congratulations, TVJ. From television, we transcend to Philippine cinema as we give tribute to two of the pillars of the industry and a power tandem who made more than 30 awards. Award-winning and blockbuster films together. Spanning more than 45 years, both are award-winning actors. Both have won respect and admiration from their peers from our generations. Indeed, they are worthy of this iconic award. You will never describe Philippine cinema without these two icons. The Guillermo Foundation hereby present the award for Box Office Iconic Stars of Philippine Movies to Mr. Christopher De Leon and Ms. Vilma Santos.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Mrs. Wilhelmina Reyes and Councilor Ray Manoto.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I love you. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat para po sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Award. Gusto kong kunin yung pagkakataon na ito para mula sa aking puso ay magpasalamat po sa lahat po ng pagkilala na ibinibigay niyo po sa akin sa napakahabang taon ng akin pong career sa industriyang Pilipino. Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Award, maraming salamat po para sa pagkilalang ito na bilang isang iconic box office queen. Maraming salamat po. Pero higit sa lahat, ito po ay utang na loob ko sa ating pong publiko and of course to my Vilmanians. Na mula po ng umpisa, umulat umaraw, anumang panahon, ay nandiyan po kayo para suportahan po ako. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course, Lord, thank you for all the blessings. And of course, sa aking pong inspirasyon ng aking pong pamilya. So to all of you, again, Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Award, maraming salamat po.
I am so excited and talagang kinikilig for these next set of awards. And you know what? Based on my research, you have won in one of these categories in 2019 with My as Best Love Team for Television.
And I can never forget, you researched it, all right? And actually, this next set, or these next categories, are some of the most anticipated by the fans, who I know are already prepared here tonight. Love teams have always been a huge part of the blockbuster film, or any blockbuster film, or any top-rating teleserye in Philippine entertainment history.
First up is the award for Most Popular Love Team for Television. Our next awardees were chosen by the Guillermo jurors because of the consistent high ratings of their teleserye, The Right One, and their huge impact on viewers in all their TV projects and live shows. Congratulations to our most popular love team for television, Ruru Madrid and Bianca Uma.
Presenting the trophies for the Guillermo Foundation are Miss Ruby Shane Policarpio and Miss Loan Mendoza.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo. First of all, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Guillermo Mendoza Box Office Entertainment Awards para sa parangal na ito. Teka, medyo mababa. Ang parangal na ito ay special sa aming dalawa dahil ito po ang aming kauna-unahang award na natanggap na magkasama. Kung kaya't nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat po ng mga tao na nasa likod po ng aming programang ginawa, which is The Right One. At sa ngayon po, hindi man po kami magkasama sa mga proyektong ginagawa ho namin. Pero hindi man ho kami magkasama, alam ho namin na ang suporta at pagmamahal ho namin sa isa't isa ang magsisilbing lakas at inspirasyon ho namin para lalo ho namin pagbutihin ang aming mga ginagawa.
First and foremost, maraming salamat po to our Lord God. Ama, thank you so much for another blessing. Para po sa inyo ito. We would also like to thank each other. You and I, we are unstoppable together, mahal. And lastly, to Guillermo Box Office Entertainment Awards. Maraming salamat po sa parangal na ito. This moment, we will truly cherish forever. World,
Here is to conquering the whole world with love, support, and growth. Driven by love and for love. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po. Our next love team is one for the books because of the record-breaking and phenomenal box office returns of the movie Rewind, which became Philippine cinema's all-time highest grossing Filipino film and have reached over 1 billion in worldwide sales. The Guillermo Foundation has bestowed upon this powerful movie couple the most popular love team for movies title. Congratulations. You know them. Ding Dong Dantes and Marian Rivera.
Presenting the trophies for the Guillermo Foundation are Dr. Rene Samaniego and Miss Lori Santa Cruz.
Thank you, Guillermo. Salamat sa pagkilalang ito na Love Team Award. Nako, pag sinabi pong Love Team, hindi namin mapigilan para manumbalik doon sa aming unang pagkakataon nung nagsama kami noong 2007 sa Marimar. Doon po kami una nagka-Love Team. Gusto ko lang pong i-share na yung pag-shoot po ng pelikulang Rewind, naging very, very personal po para sa amin. Dahil, aside from the fact that I really love working with my wife, kasi na-miss ko po siyang katrabaho. Kasi napakagaling po na artista. Sabi ko, nung nakuha ko po itong project ko, sabi ko, ang prayer ko, sana maging best partner ako dito sa aking leading lady. Pero, higit po doon, yung isa sa pinaka-valuable na nangyari sa amin ay naging parang date yung bawat shooting day na ginagawa namin. Yung mga drive namin papunta sa shooting, pagkatapos namin ihatid yung mga anak, very, very valuable yung bawat minuto, bawat segundo na nasa kotse kami nagkikwentuhan na hindi ko malilimutan. Kaya masaya po ako na dahil sa pelikulang ito, nagkasama kami ulit, pero higit sa lahat, mas lumalim muli ang aming samahan. Kaya maraming salamat po sa Guillermo.
Hello, good evening. Wow. Okay, actually sabi ni Dong nga, 2007 nung una kaming nagtambal bilang magka-love team sa telebisyon. Akala namin nagtapos na doon. Pero dahil sa pelikulang Rewind, nabigyan uli kami ng pagkakataong maging love team. Kaya marami pong salamat sa pagkakataon at sa lahat po ng nanood ng Rewind at nagtiwala po sa love team naming dalawa. Thank you.
The next category goes to another love team who has conquered not just the movies and television, but we talk about all the other aspects of entertainment such as social media, commercial endorsements, recording, live shows, and tours both here and even abroad. We all know their fan base is so huge and continues to grow in number, and I have to say, I'm one of them. I have to be.
May they be Max Payne and Dane of He's Into Her, or as I know them, Ling and Bingo of Can't Buy Me Love. Don Bell will always create a big impact on Philippine entertainment. Guillermo Foundation hereby crowns the Prince and Princess of Philippine Entertainment, Tony Pangilinan and Bel Mariano.
Presenting the trophies for the Guillermo Foundation are Miss Ruby Shane Policarpio and Mrs. Janine Policarpio.
Hi, good evening everyone. How are you guys doing? Wow, I don't know where to start. Wow, thank you Guillermo Mendoza Foundation for recognizing us and for this recognition. It truly means a lot. I'd actually want to thank a few people. First, of course, I'd like to thank you guys sa lahat ng sumusuporta, sa lahat ng pagmamahal nyo. Grabe, maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, to my ABS-CBN family, the bosses, thank you so much. My team, my family, Mom, I know you're here. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mom. And of course, Nato, thank you. And lastly, Father God Almighty, thank you. I hope I continue to inspire other people with the talents you've given me. Thank you.
Ayan, sinabi mo na ata lahat. Maraming salamat po, Guillermo Foundation, for this award. It's so nice to be sharing this with you. And sa lahat ng mga supporters natin, maraming salamat. Siyempre, to God be the glory always. Salamat po sa sumuporta ng Can't Buy Me Love. We love you guys very much and have an amazing night. Thank you.
Our next set of awards will recognize the outstanding performances of our television actors in both primetime and daytime teleseries. We start off with the Daytime TV Drama Actor of the Year because of the record-breaking ratings and outstanding performance of our awardee in the highly acclaimed daytime teleserye, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, as Dr. Robert Tanyag, which won for him several acting nominations and acting trophies. The title of Daytime TV Drama Actor of the Year is given to Richard Yao.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Ms. Gems Mendoza.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. And it's an honor to be here tonight for the Box Office Entertainment Awards. Salamat sa lahat ng pagsuporta sa amin, to all the viewers out there. Kaya umabot kami sa ganito katagal. I would just like to say that it's an honor to be here among all my peers, mga fellow actors ko na nanalo ngayong gabi. Especially sa anak ko, si Jillian Ward, kay Pinky Amador, and of course, sa Abot Kamay na Pangarap. And I'd like to thank GMA for trusting us with this project. Maraming salamat po, especially to the Box Office Entertainment Awards. Maraming salamat.
We now move on to the Daytime TV Drama Actress of the Year. She has touched so many hearts through her portrayal of child genius Dr. Annalyn Tanyag. And her performance has contributed a lot in the consistent high ratings of the teleserye Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Make way for our Daytime TV Drama Actress of the Year, Jillian Ward.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Jamil Bigyan.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una po sa lahat, of course, ang una ko pong pasasalamatan ay si Lord. Thank you, God, sa lahat-lahat. Grabe, sobrang daming blessings. Thank you, God. And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo sa Box Office Entertainment Awards, sa pag-recognize po sa akin bilang isang artista, at pati na rin po sa mga katrabaho ko po sa Abot Kamay na Pangarap, ang aking tatay Richard, and si Miss Pinky Amador, at sa show po namin na Abot Kamay na Pangarap. And bago ko po tapusin ang speech ko, gusto ko po magpasalamat syempre sa family ko, kay Mama, kay Papa, at sa mga kapatid ko po dahil sila po talaga yung buhay ko, sila po yung rason bakit ko po ginagawa po ito. And Happy Mother's Day, Mama! I love you so much! I am so grateful and blessed na nanay kita. And this award is for you and for my late grandmother na si Mami Ana. And thank you so much po.
Ngayon naman, kilalanin natin si Maria Clara na makabagong panahon, si Clay. Maria Clara at Ibarra experimented on this concept of bridging the past and the present to understand the true meaning of Noli Me Tangere. Clay is a central character who is able to travel through both times, portrayed by our next awardee. She was able to play the difficult role, and because of this, the Guillermo Foundation gives the title of Primetime TV Drama Actress of the Year to Barbie Forteza.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Engineer Rick Santiago.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Box Office Entertainment Awards 2024. Medyo parang lagpas isang taon na ho yata ang nakakalipas magmula nang natapos ang programang nagbago ng buhay ko. Kaya maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagkilala sa aking trabaho sa programang ito at sa pagsuporta at pagtangkilik sa aming programang Maria Clara at Ibarra. Maraming salamat. To my Barbinatics na nandito ngayon, sa aking mga kaibigan, maraming salamat sa pagpunta at sa palaging pagsuporta sa akin. And of course, to my family, ang tatay ko nandito po ngayon. Lagi akong pinagmamaneho, kaya siya talaga ang aking ultimate love team sa lahat ng show. Siya talagang lagi kong kasama. Thank you, Daddy, sa aking ate, Abby. Thank you so much for always being there for me and for always supporting me. Happy Mother's Day, Mama! Para sa ito, I love you. Happy Mother's Day. Maraming salamat po!
To celebrate the renewed energy and strength of Philippine entertainment, brace yourselves for an explosive musical treat. The Diversity Dancers, together with the Eat Bulaga Singing Queens, Sam, Eunice, Jean, Ann, and Kazi, and the powerful Mitoy Yonting.
Tonight, I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive. And the world, I turn it inside out. Yeah, floating around in ecstasy. So don't stop me. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. I'm a shooting star living to the sky, like a tiger defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, go, go. There's no stopping me. I'm burning through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, that's why I call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light. Don't want to make a supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you want to have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time. Yes, I'm having a good time. I don't want to stop at all.
I was in your arms, thinking I belong there. I figure it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'll be strong there. But I was a fool, playing by the rules. The gods made paradise, their minds as cold as ice. And someone way down here, losing someone dear. The winner takes it all, the loser has to fall. It's simple and it's plain. Why should I complain? The winner takes it all. The winner takes it all.
Let's dance, everybody!
Oh, baby, clock strikes upon the hour and the sun begins to fade. Still enough time to figure out how to chase the blues somebody, with somebody who loves me. Oh, oh, oh. She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was fresh, so bright blue sky. Now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place, and if I stare too long, I'll probably break down and cry. Let's go! As if they thought rain. I hate to look into those eyes and see an ounce of pain. Her hair reminds me of the warm, safe place there. Such bright and high. I pray for the thunder and the rain to quietly pass me by. Who run the world, girls? 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 We run this mother. Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run the world? Who run the world? Who run the world? Who run the world? Some of them men think they freak this like we do, but no, they won't. Make your check come at their neck. Disrespect us, no, they won't. Boy, don't even try to touch this. Boy, this beat is crazy. This is how they made me. Houston, Texas, baby. This goes out to all the curtains in the club, rocking the latest. Who would buy it? All them stuff to get my money later. Persuasion can build a nation. Endless power of love we can devour. You do anything for me. Who run the world? Girls! Girls! Let me hear you scream! Who run the world, girls? Who run the world, girls? Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run the world? Who run the world? Who run the world? Who run the world? Girls! Take it for 180, crazy, thinking about the way I was. Did the heartbreak change me, baby? But look at where I ended up. Hey, I'm all good already, so moved on. It's scary, I'm not where you left me at all. So if you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody, universe, if you don't believe it and you think it's on me, what? Don't show up, don't come out, don't stop caring about me now. Walk away, you know how. Don't stop caring about me now. Don't show up, don't come out, don't stop caring about me now. Walk away, you know how. Don't stop caring about me now. Don't show up, don't come out, don't stop caring about me now. Here we go. Let's go.
I get up and nothing gets me down. You got it tough. I've seen the toughest around, and I know, baby, just how you've been. You gotta roll with the punches to get what's real. Can't you see I'm standing here? I've got my back against a record machine. I ain't the worst that you've seen. Now can't you see what I mean? Come on, girls, can we do this? Yeah. Maxwell jump, jump. Maxwell jump. Go ahead and jump, jump. Go ahead and jump. Maxwell jump, jump. Maxwell jump. Oh baby, baby, jump, jump. Go ahead and jump. Oh.
Don't stop me, don't stop me, don't stop me.
Hey, hey, hey.
Don't stop me, don't stop me. Ooh,
I like it.
Don't stop me, don't stop me.
Have a good time, good time.
Don't stop me, don't stop me.
Oh, I'm burning through the sky. 200 degrees, that's why I call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm driving at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give us a call. Don't stop me now. 'Cause I'm having a good time.
Don't stop me.
Yes, I'm having a good time. I
don't wanna stop at all.
Wow! Wow, grabe. That was indeed an explosive performance. A perfect jumpstart for our last 6 major awards for the night. Thank you very much, Mitoy, and then EB Singing Queens. Thank you so much. For 2023, the Guillermo Foundation Board of Jurors has decided to declare 2 Film Actor of the Year awardees because of their outstanding performances and Best Actor trophies, both in the Metro Manila Film Festival and the Manila International Film Festival. First of these awardees is from the record-breaking movie Rewind. The different phases of his role as John, Mary's husband, who was given the chance to go back in time, was indeed demanding and challenging. Hence, Guillermo Foundation crowns the first of 2 Film Actor of the Year to Ding Dong Dantes.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Marijo Chonko.
Magandang gabi po muli. Una po sa lahat, isang pagpupugay at isang pagsaludo sa mga kasamahan ko pong aktor, kasamahan ko pong mga artista sa industriya. Much respect to all of you. And of course, lalong-lalo na po sa kasamahan ko, si Piolo. Pare, congratulations din para sa iyo. Siguro konting kwento lang po, nung nakuha ko po yung pelikulang Rewind, yung script, nung nabasa ko po, kakaiba po talaga yung naging impact sa akin nung kwento. Kaya isa po sa mga naging dasal ko, isa sa mga naging prayer ko ay sana po ay magampanan ko ng kahit paano maayos itong role na ito kasi kakaiba yung naging impact sa akin. Kaya Lods, maraming salamat at ginawa mo po kaming instrumento sa pagkwento nitong napakagandang narrative ng Rewind. Kaya maraming salamat at isa pong karangalan na magampanan si John at matanggap po ito ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po muli sa Box Office Entertainment Awards.
Our newly crowned box office icon of Philippine movies never, ever rests on her laurels. From her movies, Lipad Darna to Bato sa Buhangin, from Nakakahiya to Burlesque Queen. From the biggest blockbusters, Relasyon Sinasamba Kita. Paano ba mangarap? Gaano kadalas ang minsan? She continues to draw huge crowds of moviegoers, and indeed, she will always be Philippine entertainment star for all seasons. Film Actress of the Year, the one and only Miss Vilma Santos.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Wilhelmina Reyes and Councilor Ray Manoto.
I love you. Muli po, sa bumubuo po ng Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Award, maraming salamat po muli sa pagkilala bilang Film Actress of the Year para po sa pelikulang When I Met You in Tokyo. And I would like to share this award also to my perennial love team and partner in the industry, Mr. Christopher De Leon. Yet, para sa atin ito. And of course, again, thank you for all the blessings. And this is also for my family. At sa lahat po ng mga tumatangkilik sa napakahabang taon sa akin pong career, maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
We are down to our last 4 awards of the night, the ultimate thrones of the Box Office Entertainment Awards.
This year, winning these 4 titles is extra significant and meaningful because they not only represent their amazing box office charisma, their amazing acting talents, but also they represent the new spirits and the new hope for the entertainment industry.
You're right. The last 3 years, we were left in the dark. But 2023 gave us new hope. The industry is alive again. The people went back to the cinemas. Special thanks to the Metro Manila Film Festival. The ratings went higher and higher. Record-breaking streams of released OPM music and concerts were all SROs. This is why entertainment legacy continues on and will remain progressive in the future.
Our first awardee to be crowned in for the Box Office King, because of the record-breaking box office returns of the movie 5 Breakups and a Romance, which became one of the top grossers of 2023, although it was shown and released during the time of struggle for Philippine cinema, he has managed to bring back the viewers back to the movie houses. 2023's Box Office King, congratulations, Alden Richard.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is architect Shaina April Teston.
Una po sa lahat, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa Guillermo Mendoza Foundation and of course to the award-giving body para po sa recognition na ito. Hindi ko po ito sasarilinin dahil marami po kaming parte ng pelikulang 5 Breakups and a Romance. So nagpapasalamat po ako first and foremost po to GMA Pictures, to Cornerstone Studios, and Myriad Entertainment. And sa lahat po ng sumuporta, sa lahat po ng block screening for 5 Breakups, sa mga supporters ko po, maraming salamat para sa inyo to. And para sa ito Drek, and maraming salamat po. I didn't expect na in a span of little more than a decade of my career na magkakaroon po ako ng recognition when it comes to the box office. So this is a blessing and sana po marami rin po akong ma-inspire pang ibang mga aktor na kagaya ko na gumawa ng mga kalidad na pelikula at ang maging intention po lagi at ang kanilang motivation is to bring back the glory days of Philippine cinema para po sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin and syempre para sa industriya na pinagkakautangan po nating lahat ng malaking utang na loob. Muli po, maraming salamat. Magandang gabi po. Thank you.
The box office enthronement is now ready for the coronation of our box office queen. Yes, she has given this title several times in the last years, and this year, in spite all the changes she has gone through, she has now managed to once again win that crown all on her own. Her role in A Very Good Girl is certainly out of her comfort zone, yes, but she was able to live out her character perfectly and even made the movie the second top grosser for 2023. Kaya sabay-sabay tayo. Let's all hail our box office queen, the one and only Catherine Bernardo.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation, our engineer Rick Santiago and James Mendoza.
Hi, good evening. What an honor to be here tonight. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. So this wouldn't be possible without A Very Good Girl. So I'd like to thank my Star Cinema family and my ABS-CBN family for entrusting this project to me despite all the challenges. To my bosses and to everyone, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. I'm sharing this award on behalf of all of you. This is a win for all of us. And to the fans. No, ito na. No, thank you so much for allowing me to explore a different genre and still having my back no matter what happens. And of course, to Guillermo Awards, thank you so much for this incredible honor. Maraming salamat po. When the movie was released, we were still recovering from the pandemic. It was such a challenging time for the industry. We didn't know kung yung ginawa namin would be enough to encourage the people to go back to the cinemas again. We didn't know if the audience would be ready for something new, something out of the box like A Very Good Girl. But you all surprised us and you all delivered. Higit pa po dun yung binigay nyo at maraming salamat. I'd like to acknowledge my fellow actors and the people behind the camera who share the same passion and goal. We are celebrating so many wins tonight. And this moment is proof that together we can keep the Philippine cinema alive. Maraming salamat, Guillermo.
Congratulations to our box office king and queen, Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo. We have come to our last award for the night, the Ultimate Box Office Award. Because this award goes to the lead stars of the record-breaking highest-grossing film of all time, Rewind. With 1.2 billion returns from worldwide sales, this Metro Manila Film Festival entry was able to break all existing records in box office history.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the reigning box office phenomenal stars of Philippine cinema, Ding Dong Dantes and Marian Rivera.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Rene Samaniego and Dr. Lanny Santiago.
Magandang gabi po muli. Isa po sa mga naging dasal namin nung ginagawa namin ang pelikulang ito, bukod sa magampanan namin ng maayos yung aming mga roles, ay sana maging successful yung pelikula. Pero hindi lang po yung pelikula, kung hindi sana maging successful po yung film festival as a whole. So yun po isa sa mga naging dasal namin. Kaya na-surprise po talaga. Sa totoo lang, hindi po namin inaasahan na ganito po magiging resulta ng aming pelikula at ng buong film festival. Kaya nagpapasalamat kami na napasama po kami sa festival na ito. Nagpapasalamat kami na naging bahagi kami ng pelikulang Rewind. Kasi alam niyo po, yung trabaho namin bilang artista, mga ganitong bagay, alam natin po na hindi po natin hawak kung ano yung outcome. Ang ahawak lang po namin yung performance namin. Kung paano namin ibibigay yung aming buong puso, buong kaluluwa sa mga roles na ginagampanan namin. Yung outcome po, hindi po namin napipredict yan. Kaya, thank you at naging ganito pong outcome at tinatanggap po namin itong pagkilala na to, tinatanggap po namin itong pagtanggap sa pelikula namin at binibigyan namin halaga po ito. Much more na nangyari po ito kasama
ng aking may bahay. Talagang it's very, very meaningful for us. Kaya thank you very much. And sana po, alam namin, nalilipas din ito. Sana po marami pong makaranas ng ganitong klaseng experience. Sana maging successful po ang buong industriya ng pelikulang Pilipino. Hindi lang po ngayon, kundi sa mga susunod pang taon.
Muli po, marami pong salamat sa lahat po ng tumangkilik ng pelikulang Rewind. Ang tropeyo pong ito ay inaalay po namin sa inyo. At higit lalo, Lods, iba ka. Thank you.
A huge congratulations to all our winners tonight, and may these triumphs serve as an inspiration for all of us to strive harder and to uplift our local entertainment industry and continue the legacy of excellence.
Our appreciation goes to the Guillermo Foundation, to our producers, Airtime Marketing Philippines Incorporated, headed by Ms. Tessie Celestino Howard, and from Precision Digital, Vince Mariano, our director, Mother Maribeth Bichara, and to all the men and women behind this entertainment milestone.
This is a huge event for the whole industry, and of course, to all the film outlets, the television networks, recording companies, as well as independent producers, as well as concert producers. Ang dami, we have to say.
Our fans
our as well.
Thank you very much.
We have to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts for letting us continue to bring Philippine entertainment, not just to the nation, but to the world.
But you know what? The real stars of the box office are the people who lined up in the cinemas, bought the albums, streamed the songs, and those who religiously watched their favorite TV program.
So that we say thank you so much, and we hope you'll continue walking with us towards a brighter future in this industry.
And for that, good night, everyone. Thank you very much for celebrating the resurgence of Philippine entertainment. Let us all look forward to a better and brighter Box Office Entertainment Awards 2025.